Hello folks, welcome to Netcruzer RC. We're on a bit of a little break here, so I'm going to try out the F103 GT on the track for the very first time. We're going to see how it handles. Okay, let's try this thing, the F103 GT, on an actual carpet track. Never really been driven on track before, we're going to try it right now. It is rear-wheel drive. See what it's like. Probably going to be all over the place with this thing. We'll give it a try. Whoa! That's not too bad. Whoa! It's a little oversteerish. Hey, I like this thing. Wow, it handles way better than on pavement, as you saw before.
Because we're taking a break, it's demonstration time. John has got an F103 GT, right?
Yep.
It's very similar to the F1 car, but it has a sports prototype type body, like that almost looks like an Audi or a Porsche.
It's a Toyota.
That's the body I think the 17.5 car should run.
Yeah, really? At least it's designed off a real car.
Unfortunately, those bodies aren't legal for US GT. But it's darn cool either way.
It's handling great.
Hey John,
yep.
I'd be okay with running those in F1. You're on a 25.5 and that's F1 legal as far as I'm concerned.
I don't know, I felt like open wheel versus enclosed wasn't really fair, but we shouldn't be touching anyway. It handles better than I thought it would. Silver can. Stock gearing, stock motor, stock ESC. Yep. There is. Yeah, there is.
That's the F103?
Yeah.
With the cool body on it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Foam or rubber tires?
Rubber.
Rubber.
Yeah. Yeah, this is the tires that come in the kit too.
That's all right.
It's yeah, it's doing way better than I thought it would.
Alright guys, 5 minutes, we're going to get pan car going. Just give you a heads up, 5 minutes. That also means I need my marshals as well. So our marshals are going to be VTA crew. So get prepped, 5 minutes.
I do need to fix up my wiring as I've got a bunch of leads, extra leads coming out, but wow, that was a pretty good outing for this, for a first run. No tuning to it besides that TRF shock that I put in the center, so yeah, pretty impressed. Yeah, I mean it is just an F1 chassis.
Very similar.
It's yeah. So what's this? An F104?
This is an F104.
Yeah. And then
the
you put this.
That was on it when I got it. So
Okay.
I think somebody changed it out. It was probably something a little more like this before.
Yeah.
But this is interchangeable. You can change the twist on them. So you get thicker ones that give you more resistance to twist.
Okay,
and it tweaks the body a little bit.
Yeah.
But I mean, visually they're pretty much the same thing. So I know you can get conversion kits for these.
So on the real F1 cars, they're surprisingly strong for the hits that they take.
Especially considering when they grab that boards when they hit them. And
Yeah,
they fly
yeah, I
out.
would have thought that the wing would break off immediately, but they smash into the boards all the time and they don't break,
I've
so
seen
it's
some
pretty
guys
awesome.
actually glue the sidewalls.
Oh yeah?
So that if they do come in contact with the boards, the rubber doesn't grip the car and throw it up in the air. It slides
okay.
along the boards instead. I mean, the benefit of driving a sedan is you've got the plastic that keeps you from gripping
Right,
the wall.
yeah.
Whereas these, because the rubber goes right over into the side,
Oh yeah, there's a
there's
lot,
a lot of
sidewall.
contact patch on the side
Yeah.
there that grabs the walls when you hit it. And that's what breaks these cars, is when
Yeah,
you grab
because
the
this is
wall.
running more of a GT style tire, but
right.
it's still slick, but it's a GT rim.
Yep. They look like a larger diameter, too.
Alright guys, if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button if you're new and here, subscribe. If you want to talk to me, leave a comment down below. As always, thanks for watching.